Hey there! Whether you're new to the trade table community or one of our returning DIY champs, we're glad you're here. Today we're diving into one of the simplest and most budget-friendly ways to upgrade your home, painting your brick fireplace. It's easier than you think, and we'll walk you through everything you need step by step. Painting your fireplace is an easy and budget-friendly way to give your home a stylish upgrade. Here's why homeowners love this project. Instant makeover. A fresh coat of paint brightens up the room and adds character. Budget-friendly costs significantly less than replacing or refacing a fireplace. Easy to maintain. Painted brick is easier to wipe clean than bare brick. Customizable. Choose from classic neutrals, bold colors, or textured finishes to match your style. What you'll need: wire brush. Removes loose debris from brick and mortar. All-purpose cleaner. Cuts through dirt and soot buildup. Degreaser, or TSP, helps remove stubborn stains. Vacuum with brush attachment, cleans out dust and loose particles. Sponge and painter's tape, for masking and surface prep. Drop cloth, protects floors and furniture. Paintbrush and thick nap roller, essential for textured brick surfaces. Roller extension pole, helps reach higher areas easily. High-quality acrylic primer ensures better paint adhesion. Durable masonry paint, designed to withstand heat and wear. Protective gear gloves, mask, and goggles for safe painting. Step-by-step guide to painting a brick fireplace. Clean and prep the fireplace. Before painting, thoroughly clean the brick surface to remove dirt, soot, and grime. Use a wire brush to scrub the brick and clear off debris. Vacuum away loose dust and soot using a brush attachment. Wash with mild soap and warm water, or use a degreaser or TSP for deep cleaning. Let the brick dry completely for at least 24 hours before priming. Apply a high-quality primer. Using a good primer ensures better paint adhesion and prevents stains from seeping through. Tape off the surrounding walls, floor, and mantel with painter's tape. Apply primer using a brush for mortar lines and a thick nap roller for brick. If your brick is especially rough, you may need 2 coats for full coverage. Let the primer dry completely before applying paint. Paint the fireplace. Now it's time to bring your vision to life. Start by painting the mortar lines with a brush. Use a roller for the larger brick areas, applying even strokes. If needed, apply a second coat for a more solid, uniform finish. Allow the paint to dry fully between coats, usually 4-6 hours. Do not paint the interior firebox, where flames will be present. Paint the mantel and trim. To tie the look together, consider painting the mantel and trim for a polished finish. Matching colors, a seamless, modern look. Bold contrast. A black or dark-colored mantel can make the fireplace stand out. Classic neutrals. White or gray offers timeless elegance. For wood mantels, use a satin or semi-gloss finish for durability. Choosing the right paint and finish. Best paint for brick fireplaces: acrylic latex paint, durable, quick-drying, and easy to clean. Masonry paint, designed for porous surfaces like brick and stone. Chalk paint creates a soft, matte look for a rustic style. Best paint finishes: matte eggshell finish. Keeps the brick's natural texture visible. Satin/semi-gloss adds a subtle sheen and makes cleaning easier. If you want a classic look, go with neutral tones like white, gray, or beige. And that's how you turn a tired brick fireplace into a statement piece you'll love. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like. Tap that bell so you don't miss more DIY tips. And subscribe to join the trade table community. When you're ready to gear up for your next home project, head over to thetradetable.com, where smart homeowners shop smarter.